This look is eating, okay? Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. If you're new here, my name is Simone. I go by Sugar. Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing updated makeup routine. I haven't beat my face in a while, so I want to come on here and do my makeup routine with y'all. Make sure you stick around to see the ending result, and let's get into it. Okay, so my face is moisturized pretty much already, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a primer. The primer I'm going to use is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Fix Mattifying Primer. I'm not going to do dark brows. I'm just going to lightly fill them in. It's by Juvia's Place, the Eye Sculpt Eye Shade Brow Pen in dark brown. Looks like this. And I'm just going to draw some light lines. I'm gonna go in with some brow gel. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop Blurring Skin Tint, and it's in the shade 18. I've never tried it before, but we're going to try it today. It does look a little orange, and excuse the change of my camera quality. If you notice the difference, I have to charge my batteries. So this is what you have to do when you don't charge your batteries. So I'm going to say that this is like a summer shade for me, because I am definitely lighter than this, as y'all can see. No biggie. I'm going to use the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Warm Beige. Then I'm going to also use the Black Opal True Color. What is this? Skin Perfecting Stick Foundation, and it is shade Suede Mocha. A little bit on the outer. I don't really like doing my forehead with this. I don't like putting makeup on my forehead, period, but that's what you gotta do. And out the outer part. I know it look crazy right now, but trust the process, girl. And then we're gonna go back in with that brush just to get rid of those harsh lines. Next, we're gonna buff out the contour. Okay, now like I said, go back in and buff the edges so they don't look harsh. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this kitten paw brush and go under. I'll put just a little bit more concealer under the eye. I use the Derma Blend and just take your little puff right here, dip it in there. Now some people like to bake. I do half and half because I do get a little creasing under my eye. I like how this looks. It looks very hydrated. I don't know, to me. With my eyelid, just because I put concealer up there. And go like that. So it can be snatched a little bit, you know. My favorite part is when I do blush. I don't like liquid blush, I like to do powder blush. So for contour, I'm just going to do a very light bronzer. So I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in Cappuccino. This is a staple that I like to use. So I'm going to go in lightly and just buff it in there. Before I do my blush, I'm just going to do my face powder. And I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation in NW44. And I'm going to just use this to get all the powder off. And blend everything else in. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is spray this Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray, weightless. And then I'm just gonna pat. Looking good. I like this so far. I do. Now I use the Juvia's Place blush, the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette, and I'm going to use these three. Can you see? Yeah, these three right here. I'm gonna lightly tap each one. Do a little on the chin, on my nose, a little on the forehead. So I'm gonna go in with the Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place, and we're gonna use this brown shade here. I'm just gonna go in and do a little something simple. Whew, I need a drink break. Girl, it's hot. Okay, and so I just did my lashes. I put mascara on, a little at the top and then a little at the bottom. So now I'm going to use MAC Cork Lip Liner. I do like to overline just a tad. Just a tad, not doing too much. Now, I'm usually a matte lip girly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of concealer. Just a little. I put it on my pinky, like that much. And put it on my lips. Bounce it around. Now I'm going to use the Revlon Super Luscious the Gloss in 207 Sky Pink. Just like that. Pop the lips. And for a little extra pink, I'm going to use Ruby Kisses Butter Bomb gloss, and it's in the shade Like a Virgin. She's cute. So I'm going to spray my face with the Makeup Revolution Super Fix Super Hold Lipstick Spray. And then I'm gonna quickly go in with Jeffree Star's highlighter palette. Which one is this? I don't know which one this is, but it's the highlighter palette. It looks like this. Oh, it's called Cavity, the Skin Frost highlighter palette. So I'm gonna just go in with Icing, this one, and pop it right on the nose. I don't know if we still do this anymore, but I'm gonna do it because it's cute. And just do a little on the cheek area. I don't think you can see that. There we go. Oh yeah. And then I think I'm gonna put a little on the brow bone. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Just a little on the brow bone. Give her a little pop. And boom, we are done. Oh, this look is eating. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more looks like this. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.